I waited an entire year to try these noodles. Were they worth the wait? Let's find out. These are Lao Wai noodles by Chef William Lim Do, a San Francisco chef who took his noodle obsession all the way to Lanzhou, China, and then brought it back home. His hand-pulled noodle kits blew up, and after an entire year on the wait list, today's the day. And if you're new here, I'm Zena. On Zena and Zatar, I share delicious plant-based eats that everyone, vegan or not, can love. We brought home 2 boxes along with the instruction note. You can tell how excited I was. I honestly had been thinking about these since I signed up. And quick heads up, my mic died while filming, so I'm narrating this one, but trust me, these noodles are so worth it. Today's kit is his hojicha sweetwater noodles. A quick backstory while we skim: William grew up in a Chinese, Cambodian, Vietnamese family in SF and never fit neatly into one box. In Lanzhou Noodle School, classmates called him Lao Wai, foreigner in Mandarin, which stung at first. He later chose the name Lao Wai Noodles to own that identity and make something authentic to himself. He's cooked at the Michelin-starred restaurant Mr. Zhu's, and in 2016 he left to study hand-pulled noodles in Lanzhou. So you know these noodles are about to be amazing. We also picked up a jar of his famous Lanzhou chili crisp. He cooks it low and slow for about 24 hours with a secret blend of chilies and spices. In China, chili crisp mostly goes on noodles, and he really honors that. Okay, let's unbox. The kit includes these fresh ingredients that are naturally vegan. In addition to the craft noodles, it came with these condiments: hojicha perilla paste, which was nutty and earthy, aromatic caramelized soy sauce, savory and sweet, Lanzhou chili crisp oil for each bowl, velvety garlic confit, green alliums, a garlicky garnish for brightness, and puffed grain sashimi, which adds a nice crunch. The noodles only need a quick boil, so let's cook them. We'll bring a pot to a rolling boil and salt it lightly. Drop in 1 bundle of noodles and set a timer for 100 to 105 seconds. It's fast, so stay close. You want bouncy and tender noodles with a bit of chew. Look at how springy they are. Drain the noodles, then rinse under cool running water to stop the cooking and wash off the excess starch. This is what keeps them springy. Now it's time to plate. In a serving bowl, we'll pour in the hojicha perilla paste, the Lanzhou chili crisp, the caramelized soy sauce, and that velvety garlic confit. The noodles go right over all of the sauces, and we finish them with green alliums and the puffed sashimi for crunch. We mix everything right before eating so every strand gets coated. If you like more heat, you can also add a little extra chili crisp. Okay, here's the moment of truth. The texture is springy, hojicha brings a roasted nutty flavor, the caramelized soy is deep and a little sweet, the garlic confit was delicious, and the chili crisp was perfection. All the flavors blended wonderfully together, and it was like nothing I've tried before. Now for the Omnivore test. Let's see what my non-vegan husband thinks. These noodles are accidentally vegan, but the flavor would impress anyone, and he was blown away by them. I asked him, "Would you wait a year for these again?" And he responded, "I'd definitely put my name on the wait list again and forget about it for a year." What would you rate it?
I'll give this definitely a 9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10. Definitely get on the wait list and try it. Lao Wai noodles are definitely an experience, and if you ever get the chance, they're absolutely worth the wait. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more delicious plant-based eats. See you next time.